Hi everyone, here is our next step to our Pinwheels for Peace project. You can see I've already jumped ahead a bit and started to decorate my first area of my pinwheel. We're going to be using markers today, and we're going to be using the thinner Mr. Sketch markers, and this has a nice point on it. You can use it on the side to get a wider line and on the tip to make a skinnier line. You'll know, just please remember when you're done with a marker, never leave it open on your table. Just make sure you put that lid, that top in place so it doesn't dry out. So let's talk about decorating our pinwheel for peace. I'd like you to be thinking about patterns. And patterns are repetition. You can see I have a pattern here. I've used the red, white, and blue pattern. When I think of peace, I think of people getting along, things being calm. We could have peace in our classrooms, in our school, but we can also be thinking about peace in our country. Now, I don't want to do all of them red, white, and blue. I want to do 4 different designs. So now I'm going to think about this one. And I really like this marker. So I'm going to open it up, and I think I'm going to do polka dots. So a polka dot, I want it to be bigger, so I'm going to start in the middle like that. And I like to think of the number 5 on a dice. That helps me to make my polka dots spaced out nicely. So there's the number 5. So now I'm going to come down here and make the center dot here, and then here. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5 when we wouldn't see it in our picture. And I'll make here and partial here. So you get the idea of the polka dot. Now you don't have to do what I'm doing. I just want you to think about patterns and how you would make pattern on your paper. Now I'm not going to leave that. That'll be kind of plain for me, so I'm going to take another color. Well, no, maybe I'll take orange, and maybe I'll go around it. The more you fill in, the more interesting your pattern becomes. Taking your time. So that is the next step for Pinwheels for Peace, is thinking about our pattern. So I'm going to just start this one here, and sometimes it's easy to outline the whole area first and then begin to color. Maybe I'll do wavy lines. Again, you think of your own pattern. Working neatly is also going to be important. That's going to make a nice pinwheel for you. So I'm not going to finish mine, but you get the idea. Be thinking about patterns.